Hello. It is 3:05. We're heading to Hong Kong. We just got our menu. Yay. Very nice. Got orange juice and ham and pasta. And this is ice cream. And I got this dish. Everything else is the same. Wow. It's pork and potatoes and fruits. And that is tiramisu. Yeah. Oh, now we're just waiting for the bus. All these milk options. This is just all milk. Now we're leaving. Right on the front row. Our hotel. Oh. Look at the view. Wow. Okay, I can't see the washroom now. What the? Oh, there you go. This is the washroom. Very cute. Very nice. We are getting dinner at this dumpling place. It is 11, I think. Almost something like that. Almost 11. Yeah. It closes at 11:30, so we have to eat really fast. And it's called this. Yeah, bit of a language barrier naturally, but we figured it out. Soybean milk. It's good. Is it good? It tastes like soybean milk. Is it just to you? No, it tastes better. Oh, okay. So this is the chive and pork dumpling with peanut and soy sauce. Yeah. I am hungry actually. Yeah, this is the wontons with just chili sauce. Yeah. Easy, right? Wow. Taste test. We're all done now. That was really good. We did leave a little bit left, you know, because we got real little skinny, so. This is Hong Kong style milk tea. We have macaroni and ham. This is kaya and butter. And that's peanut butter and condensed milk. And we all had a bite of the food, so we're gonna rate it.
You wanna rate everything?
Yeah.
I haven't tried this. Okay. Honestly, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Yeah, it's really good.
This? Yeah.
8.7.
Mm-hmm. Solid. I agree. And then this, I'll
Okay.
give it a live rating.
Okay. 9.
9. Oh, that's solid.
I think these two were
Yeah.
equally really good. It's not just peanut butter, but it tastes good. Yeah.
Milk tea is 10 out of 10. So good. Look at this tree. So pretty. filming something over there.
Yeah.
No, it didn't.
No.
That was just lying. Okay, we're back in our hotels now because we're so tired.
We were out for a long time.
We were out for a very long time. Yeah. And we're gonna take a little break for like 10 minutes and then we have to check out and go to the airport. And then that's when the real adventure begins.
Oh.
Yeah.